Do you know the reason of sorrows and the worries in life that you have? And how you can come out of it and live a life of peace and bliss? Hello, everyone, and welcome to SV Talks series Mindset is Everything. And in this video, I'll be sharing you the reasons behind all the sorrows and worries and the ways to lessen those sorrows and worries in your life and live a life of bliss by practicing those ways. Yes, the practice is required. Let's understand the first remedy, the first way. For this, let us talk about the three facets of the time that are past, present, and future. What is past? Past is something that has already happened, that has already occurred, and it cannot be changed. Still, most of the people are living in past. Either they are relinquishing the events that they have enjoyed in the past, or they are having the sorrow of what happened in the past. And even what they are doing presently is a reflection of what impression they have got in the past events. What about future? What is future? Now, future is something that has not even happened. And still, most of the people are living for that future. They are just expecting things to happen the way they want in future. They are worried. What if it doesn't happen? What if it doesn't work? What if it doesn't go the way you want it to be? In going from past to future, most of the people are missing gift of present itself, and that is the most beautiful way, the first remedy to live in present. Yes, the moment you start living in the present moment, you are not going to be worried about what is going to happen in future and what has happened in the past. The joy of living is in the present moment. So how will you do it? To begin with, every day when you wake up, just believe that it is going to be the last day of your life, and you have to do as much as possible in that particular day. What about tomorrow? If we'll wake up tomorrow morning, then we'll see what happens and what we're gonna do. So in this way, you are going to concentrate on that particular day and every moment on what you are doing. Follow this practice in everything that you do. Even if you are having your food, you are watching TV, you are reading something, you are walking, you are talking, just be in the present moment. In the end of the video, I will be sharing you one very effective idea. So just hold on and watch till the end. Let's come to the second reason and the remedy. So the second reason is the personality. That is basically the focus of personality. There are two personalities, external and internal. But today, in today's world, human is emphasizing more on the external personality rather than internal personality. Whereas the results of the life, the success, is governed by only and only your inner personality. Yeah, external personality matters too, but if your inner personality is not strong, your external personality won't lead you to those success that you are looking for. So it is vital to stronger your inner personality, and the only solution to it is start believing yourself, have faith in you, start taking the decisions, spontaneous decisions, follow your intuitions, be aware, and this will come when you are going to live in the present. Then only you could take the spontaneous decisions, you can follow your intuitions, and you can strengthen your inner personality, which in turn will take you where you want to go. You're gonna take your decision on your own with a faith and believe in yourself. The third significant reason which can single handedly make your life a hell is complex. What does that mean? It means having non-acceptable attitude towards your own self. That is, you are not accepting yourself and you are in denial of the situation or the state of mind that you are in. And this complex is a result of the comparisons that has been made throughout the life between you and other people. But the truth is, you cannot succeed in your life unless you are true to yourself. That is, you have to be who you are because you are unique. And if you are unique, there has to be no question of comparison. From today onward, just start accepting yourself the way you are, and along with that, start accepting others as they are. Don't let them feel complex too. And to start with, write some of the things that you genuinely want to change in you. And for this, start spending time with yourself. Start writing good about your own self. When you love somebody, you share those good thoughts, those letters, right? Now start loving yourself and write those love letters for your own self, starting from today. The moment you watch this video, start writing the letter for your own self. Every day practice this and you will be out of the complex and there will be no sorrow and worries. Most of the worries and sorrows that one has is because of the involvement with people, the emotions, ideologies, and the objects. The remedy to come out of the involvement is actually love. But to understand the love, we need to go in very deep. And we need to work on ourselves on that part too. So I'll be taking it in another different video. The fifth and the last reason is expectation. Expectation is related to the desire of change. The change that we want to see in others. We want others to change for us, isn't it? And that is where the more expectations you have, the more involvement you have with them, and the more trouble you are causing to your own self. And it is particularly in relationships of husband and wife, parent and children, friends. The more expectation you have in a relationship, the more you want other to change for yourself, the more trouble you are going to cause to you and your relationship. So what is the remedy? The only remedy for getting out of expectation is the reason itself. Okay. The reason for expectation is the desire of change. So let's make it the remedy. Desire the change in yourself, not in others. The moment you see that the change is required in you, not in other person, you come out of those expectations from others and you start expecting from your own self, and there will be less involvement to others, so there will be no problem in relationships. So let me hand you a key to happiness, which is strengthen your power of acceptance by living in the present moment. And yes, before leaving, I'll be sharing the idea on how to come to the present moment immediately whenever uh, you feel worried about something. So what you can do, you just need to do this. The moment you feel uncomfortable, you start getting worried about the past, about the future, whatever, you just need to sit as you're sitting, wherever be you are, and start focusing on your breath. Yes, just start focusing on your breath. You can do it with eyes open or eyes closed. At the moment you start focusing on your breath, your mind gets calmer. And once the mind is calm, there's no thought, there is a stop, and then there will be no worry too. So use this in everyday life, whenever, wherever you want to. So see you in the next video with the key to success from the same book, I Am the Mind by Deep Trivedi. I'll be sharing the link of the book in the description. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and most importantly, love yourself.